In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code your own TradingView indicators with ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to optimize your strategies or you're just starting out and want to explore custom indicators, this tutorial is designed to make the process simple and approachable. By leveraging the power of AI through ChatGPT, you'll be able to create personalized indicators for use in TradingView, tailored to your specific trading needs. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open ChatGPT in any web browser. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up using the link provided in the description below. It's quick and easy, and once you're in, you'll be ready to start creating your custom indicators. Now with ChatGPT open, type in a prompt asking it to generate a useful indicator for the TradingView Pine script editor, specifically for version 6. It's important to mention version 6 because Pine script updates regularly, and specifying the version ensures the generated code will be compatible with the latest features. Once you've typed your prompt, hit enter to submit it. Next, wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. It may take a few moments for the script to generate, so be patient. The output could range from moving average crossovers to RSI-based alerts or any number of other useful indicators. Once the script appears on your screen, use your mouse to highlight the entire code. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Command+C if you're on a Mac, or Control+C if you're on Windows to copy the script. Be extra careful to make sure you've highlighted the entire script, especially if it's displayed in a scrollable window or broken into multiple parts. If you notice anything missing, ask ChatGPT to continue from where it left off so you have the complete script ready to go. Now that you've got your script copied, head over to TradingView and open your chart. Look towards the bottom of your screen and click on the Pine Editor tab to access the scripting window. This is where we'll paste the code. If there's any default example code already in the Pine Editor, clear it out first to avoid confusion. Alternatively, you can click New to start with a fresh blank script. This step ensures there won't be any accidental mix-ups between the new code and any pre-existing code. Once the Pine Editor is cleared, paste your copied script into the window. On a Mac, you can use Command+V, and on Windows, it's Control+V. After pasting, take a moment to double-check the script for any errors. If you notice red squiggly lines or error messages, it's likely due to missing pieces of the script or a small compatibility issue. In that case, you can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to fix the specific errors or regenerate the missing portions of the code. When you're confident the script is good to go, click the Add to Chart button in the Pine Editor. At this point, TradingView will begin processing your custom indicator. Depending on the complexity of the script, it may take a few seconds. Once it's done, your new indicator will appear directly on your chart, ready for you to analyze and use in your trading strategy. And that's it. You've successfully created your own TradingView indicator with the help of ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.